Hello, good evening. Am I audible? Good evening. Welcome to the class. Today, we are going to discuss on the topic sequence and series, arithmetic progression. Okay, this is a half an hour class. I hope I'm audible. Let me check the audio. Yeah. If you are willing to take the plus subscription, you can use my code RMSir. Okay. Or you can follow me on Unacademy at RMSir also. Before starting the lecture, let me just tell you that we have a scholarship test scheduled on 15th of October. It is unsat, right? So you can win a reward up to 150 CR. Like from this particular part, will be getting a rewards up to 100% scholarship, and you can also be a part of special rankers group. Okay, so do register for this course, for this test, for the scholarship test. Okay, let's start with the topic. If you are registering with this for this test, you can use my code RMSir. Okay, we have started a batch on full syllabus. It got started from 6th of October, and in this we'll be delivering the content through English, and these are the educators for physics, chemistry, and biology, and I'll be taking the maths. Okay, so today we are going to start a topic called as arithmetic progression, AP. Majority of students might have learned this topic in the class 10. Okay, just a minute. Yeah, let's start with the topic arithmetic progression. Just a minute. Yeah, AP. So now the numbers like which have a common difference, such as constant common difference, are called in AP, like A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, and so on. And the last term will be A plus n minus 1 into D. This is called as nth term of an AP, A plus n minus 1 into D. This particular thing is called as nth term of an AP. Okay, so here the common difference is mentioned as D, and the first term, which is A1, is named as A. The first term is named as A. Just a minute. Yeah. So these are the terms which we can write in AP. For this, in this you have to remember this important part. The nth term of AP is A plus n minus 1 into D. This is a very basic formula for the nth term. For any AP, let's take an example. For any AP, I am writing 3, then 7, then 11, and so on. And if it is asked find the 20th term, this formula will be very helpful over here. इसमें 20th term निकालना है, so just write first term as 3, then 20 minus 1 into D. Now what is the common difference in this case? We can observe that 7 minus 3, which is 4. Second term minus first term, that is a common difference 4. If you solve this, you get 3 plus 19 into 4. Whatever the value we are getting over here, that is the 20th term of this particular AP. Okay, it will be the 20th term of this AP. I hope you're getting this and we are able to use this formula. Given is 3 times the fifth term. 3 times the fifth term is 5 times the third term. Let's write like this: 3 into T5, 5 into T3. Okay, so what is T5 now? T5 is A plus 4D. What is T3? A plus 2D. So if you try to solve this, you'll get 3A plus 12D. Here 5A plus 10D. Okay. So 5A minus 3A, that is 2A, and 10D minus this will be 2D. 0. So from here A is equal to D we have got. Okay. And they have asked what is the 8th term. So it is A plus 7D. A plus 7D. So as we can see, A and D both are same. So 8D, that is the 8th term. Here let me see that the value of D and A is given or not. Okay. So 3 times the 5th term is 5 times the 3rd term. So if you try to simplify this will be 3A, it will be 12D, 5A and 10D. Okay. So 2D is equal to A equal to D. So the 8th term will be 8 times D. How 8 times D? Like A is D over here. Okay, A is D over here. So 8 times D. Okay. So I think more information will be given over here so that you can find the value of D as well as. Okay. So this is the 8th term of that particular AP. Now let's go ahead to the next part. The next topic is sum of n terms of an AP. Here the sum of n terms formula is n by 2 twice A plus n minus 1 into D. Sum of n terms formula is n by 2 twice A plus n minus 1 into D. This is also mentioned as first term plus last term. These are the two formulas. Okay, so n by 2 in bracket first term plus last term. As we can see a note point over here, nth term of an AP is linear in n. Okay, that is like if you write the nth term, you'll get A plus n minus 1 into D. This is linear in n. Okay, like you can't see n square n cube over here. Similarly, if you observe here, the Sn of AP is quadratic in n. Like if you multiply this n inside the bracket, you will get n times A. Here you will get n into n minus 1. Okay. Look at the formula for Sn. This thing, if you multiply this n inside the bracket, you will get 2 gets cancelled, n A. Then you multiply n over here, you will get n into n minus 1, which is n square minus n. So it's a quadratic. It's a quadratic in n. Okay. This is an important term. And the third note point is again important. And this is valid for any type of sequence. The third node point is valid for any type of sequence. If you subtract, like if you write Sn minus 1, then it is giving us the nth term of that sequence. Sn minus 1 will give us the nth term of the sequence, nth term. Okay, in some of the questions they'll give you Sn of an AP and they'll ask you what is the nth term of an AP. An minus 1 an, these are the n terms in AP. Then the sum of first and the last term, the sum of first and the last sum is same as second and the second last term, and it is same as third and the third last term. Okay, so note this part, like sum of first plus last term, it is same as sum of second and second last term. That is a1 plus an is same as a2 plus an minus 1. That is same as a3 plus an minus 2, and it will keep on going. It will keep on going. If the last member remains, then last member is added to itself. So a1 plus an, and this is all the important property of AP, the first one and the second. There are a few more. We'll go on the next slide and read it. Example, I'll take few properties with the example only. Like if you have a numbers in AP 3, 7, 11, so if you add same number to each number, you add same number to all the numbers in AP, to all the terms in AP, then resulting sequence will also be in AP. For example, let's add 5 to each term. You will get 8, 12, 16. Okay, so here also the resulting sequence is in AP with the same common difference. Here also the resulting terms in AP with the same common difference. Okay, same in this case. Same when you add or subtract or multiply, resultant terms will be in AP only, or you divide also, but the difference will be sometimes the common difference will get changed. Example, if you have numbers in AP 3, 7, 11 and you multiply each number with 2, okay, so you will get 6, 14, 22. Now here the common difference is 4, but here the common difference is 8, which is again multiplied with 2. These are some very, very basic and important properties of AP that everyone should know. Okay. Now let's go ahead to the next node point. Sometimes you need to assume 3 numbers in AP depending upon the question. Like we need to find the 3 numbers in AP, so over there we need to assume the 3 numbers in AP. So if we have to assume 3 numbers in AP, always try to assume like this: A minus D, A plus D. Okay, A minus D, A plus D. Like second, if you have to assume 4 numbers in AP, then assume in this way: a minus 3d, a minus d, a plus d, and a plus 3d. These are the 4 numbers in AP, and you have to assume in this way. Okay. Fine. Let's take an example. Find the 3 numbers in AP. Find the 3 numbers in AP such that sum of all 3 numbers is 27. Okay. And product of first and last. Product of first and the last. First and last, or first and third. Instead of saying first and last, let's write first and third. First and third is 77. Okay. Find the number in AP such that sum of all 3 numbers. Find the 3 numbers in AP. Find the 3 numbers in AP. Okay. Such that sum of all 3 numbers is 27 and product of first and third is 77. Product of first and third is 77. So let's start solving this. So assume, let the numbers be a minus d, a plus d, right? So sum is given as 27. So if you add all these 3 numbers, if you add all these 3 numbers, you will get 3a, that is 27. 3a is 27. So from here a is 9. From here a is 9. Hence the 3 numbers are 9 minus d, 9, and 9 plus d. 9 minus d, 9, and 9 plus d. So when you multiply first and the third number, the value is given as 77. So let's simplify this. It's 81 minus d square is equal to 77. So d square is 4. So d is plus minus 2. Let's consider d as 2. So if you put 2 here, then the numbers will be 7, 9, 11. Or if you put d as minus 2, then the order will be different, nothing else. So 11, 9, and 7. Okay, I think we have done very basic questions today, and properties also we have touched few of it. ठीक है, बेसिक क्वेश्चंस किए है, प्रॉपर्टीज सॉल्व किया. Done.